Okay, moment of truth. Right, yeah, this is ACCST 2.1, but the only firmware you can get for transmitters is either the old firmware or 2.1. So all that guy was saying about 2.0 is just going to confuse things. If this doesn't have D8 and LR12, what we say in the document is actually true. That's just semantics. You can only get 2.1 firmware for transmitters on the Free Sky site. Okay, let's do a reboot.
This isn't flying, this is falling with style.
Switch warning.
Alright, menu. Off. Mr.D, D16. Oh, bloody hell, he was right. In which case, because every review I've seen on this has said that it drops LR12 and D8. If it doesn't, and you can still use them, why the hell do people whinge about ACCST version 2? If it still works, obviously it doesn't on the Access stuff, but if it does on the older stuff, then really, what is people's problem? That's just weird. Of course, I've not tried binding it yet. But if it's there, it must work, surely. Oh, that saves me a hassle. I mean, I still need to get an XJT module for the Horus. But yeah, if you still have LR12 and D8 on old transmitters when you update to ACCST version 2, what was all the fucking YouTubers and bloggers whinging about? Because there's no issue whatsoever. It's just fucking stupid. Anyway, I'll fix the document. Now we can see it works, though it does add an extra layer of complexity.